Alright, so here we have a dirt bike versus Supermoto comparison. So I'll be comparing the Honda CRF230F and the Honda CRF230M because they're literally the closest comparison you can find out there. I mean, they're both 230cc Honda dirt bikes. They're both Honda brands. The CRF230M is air-cooled. The 230F is air-cooled as well. So they're both exactly the same bike, except one's a Supermoto, one's a dirt bike. So it's a very good comparison we could do here. Just look at these two bikes as a whole. The dirt bike, which is the CRF230F, obviously has dirt tires. That's why it's called a dirt bike. And it's a little bit taller because you're in the dirt. You need that height. While the CRF230M, the Supermoto, is a little bit lower and shorter. And it's a little bit heavier because you have those extra features on it. Just looking at the 230M individually, which is the Supermoto, it's got those little extra features like all Supermotos would have, like the speedometer, the neutral indicator, the headlight indicator, the turning signal indicator. It's also got the turning signals attached to the handlebars, and it also has little things like disc brakes, which actually have very good stopping power. It's got little things like a backlight, back turning signals, stuff like that. Just to look at the 230M, the exhaust, that's another difference. It's a lot more diffused, and it's got a larger baffle, so it's quieter. So the 230F is a lot louder, the 230M is quieter. And the 230F is, in my opinion, and is just more torquey. The gears are a little closer on the 230F, so it's got more torque, as I said, while the gears on the 230M, which is the Supermoto, are longer. You're going to attain a higher top speed on the Supermoto and a lower top speed on the CRF230F. I mean, if you're wondering, the 230F tops out at about 120 kilometers an hour, while this 230M Supermoto tops out at about 130 kilometers an hour. It's about a 10 kilometer an hour difference. But, if you're wondering what's faster, some people just click this, went into this video because they wanted to know which one was faster. Well, off the line, the 230F is faster. Top speed wise, the 230M is faster. There you go. Overall, a traditional dirt bike and Supermoto is geared towards something different. I wouldn't say totally different, just something different, because the Supermoto can be used in the trails. Anyhow, your dirt bike is geared towards driving it in the mud, the dirt. That's why it's called a dirt bike. Going on trails with your friends, going on the gravel roads, drinking beer. While a Supermoto is geared towards going on the roads with your Supermoto friends. Your bud may have a DRZ 400 SM. You may have fun with them. Anyhow, another thing that you'll notice on a dirt bike is the seat height's higher than a Supermoto seat height. You'll notice that the exhaust is different. And on a Supermoto, you guys have to admit, The Supermotos are more glamorous, they have more features, etc., while the dirt bike's a little raw looking. Another thing you'll notice on a dirt bike is that the power is there, the torque, but on a Supermoto, it's not as rapid, the torque. But you do get that maximum top speed that's higher than the dirt bike. Anyhow, those are the two comparisons of the Supermoto and dirt bike. Here are a POV of the dirt bike and Supermoto driving.